BirdNote in partnership with Seattle Audubon. Do you recognize the loud, demanding call of the Steller's jay? Often in small family groups, these birds swoop out of a conifer, scattering the smaller birds at the feeder. Steller's jays have a wide array of vocalizations. Here are a few. It's hard to imagine that these boisterous jays could possibly have a softer aspect to their blustery behavior, but they do. Listen to this very different jay sound called the whisper song. Male jays use this whisper song during courtship. This expression of the softer, gentler side of jays also emanates from solitary birds for no apparent reason. Imagine for a moment the familiar cobalt blue jay with black-crested head sitting upright. Quietly, the bird extends its head slightly forward, slowly turns it from side to side, and begins to softly sing. BirdNote is independently produced and funded by a non-profit organization called Tune Into Nature. If you'd like to make a gift to support BirdNote,